Welcome to the CarDad channel, and today we're going to be working on my 1987 Porsche 944. I've had for about 6 years now. As you could hear in the previous clip, some of my belts are slipping, so the first thing on the list is to get it on the lift and tighten up my power steering belt that I replaced recently. So here I just grab a couple of 13mm wrenches and tighten up my power steering pump. Now, just for a little bit of background on the car, I've had this, like I said, for about 6 years now, and I've been doing my best to maintain it and keep it on the road. It's a 1987 Porsche 944. It has the Coney coilover kit from Teardown. Last winter, I did drop the torsion tube assembly and upgraded to Delrin bushings and upgraded the spring plate mounts as well. As you can see, despite this being a New England car, I picked it up in Manchester, New Hampshire. It spent its whole life in New England. I think it's originally from Connecticut. There isn't a whole lot of rust in here, and I really haven't run into any rusty bolts, and I've been through this car quite a bit over the last several years, so it's very clean. And here's the motor I picked up a couple weeks ago. It's an 07K 2.5 liter 5-cylinder out of a 2007 Jetta, and you can see here I already started the teardown. As you can see, I already removed the intake manifold and exhaust manifold and the wiring harness, and now I'm taking off the valve cover so I can get a good look at the head and the condition of the cams and lifters and everything under there. And it doesn't look too bad. A little varnish from oil, but there's no bad scoring or anything on any of the cam lobes. Everything looks to be in decent shape. So I think in the next video I'm going to be trying to split the head from the block and get a little bit of a better inspection there. So now I'm going to start taking off the timing covers to get a good look at the timing chains and guides and everything like that. I will be replacing all of those things, but for now we'll continue with disassembly. And it was right around at this point I remembered that I need to get the engine off the stand to remove the rest of the timing chain covers. So that's going to be a wrap for the work today. And next time I come out here, I will take the engine off the stand and split the head from the bottom end. Besides a small squeak from rubbing, you can tell that the power steering squeak is gone, which is a success. Thanks for watching my first YouTube video, and hopefully next time I'll be a little less sick so my voice won't be as annoying, and hope to bring you videos. I don't think they'll be super frequent, but I hope to keep you updated as often as I can, and be sure to like and subscribe and show me some love. Hopefully y'all enjoy this and I can bring you some more videos as I go along the journey of building another engine. It's been quite some time. Thanks for watching.